Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Hassanuddin. Today, I would like to review the burger from McDonald store. What is it? Let's go find it now.
How much, sir?
Daging apa?
Spicy chicken Manila.
Manila Big Mac
Yes.
Same with mana?
Okay, alright, thanks, sir. Alright, thanks.
Hello guys, back again. I buy all medium set of spicy chicken McDonald and Big Mac, which is come with coke and fries.
The total amount for the food is 30 ringgit and 84 cents include 6% service tax. As you can see, the bun are nice look, but the beef patty look not juicy at all. And the lettuce quite slightly with some special sauce. Now, I move the middle bun to see the what's next. Hey look, there's some pickles. Big Mac also have a slice of cheese between the patties. And then, they put some lettuce and special sauce again.
Okay, next.
Let's see what inside spicy chicken Manila. The type of bun are the same as Big Mac bun. The chicken patty with some lettuce and mayo on the top. Okay, let's try first. Wow, the spicy chicken McDonald is so yummy. Move to Big Mac. The taste is quite good, but I much prefer the spicy chicken McDonald.
In my opinion, spicy chicken McDonald are much better than Big Mac. Besides, the spicy chicken McDonald are worth for buy. It is because of the taste spicy and juicy from the chicken.
That's all for my food review today. See you at the next video.